So it's January 25th, 2014, and this is called severe blizzard in Kentucky, polar vortex, whatever they call it. But recalling our early days in Nebraska and Iowa, this is fall. Yes, this is the fall season. They're not even cleaning up the roads yet.
Oh, Daddy's video recording.
People are freaking out. They stay inside their homes. Bread and milk are gone from the stores. Nobody's driving.
And there's about maybe an inch and a half, 2 inches of snow.
There's probably an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches of snow. People are driving 5 miles an hour like this guy right here. Yes, babe. Look at this people. 5 miles an hour.